going to show you how to create a heat map from some spreadsheet data. Go across to the heat maps button on the left here, and up will pop what looks to be a relatively complicated menu, but don't worry about that. So all we need to do is have an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, which we can see here. And what we've got is the postcode column. We've got postcode districts in here. So first two characters of the postcode, and then the second two numbers, which will everything to the left of the space in a postcode. Now we have the postcodes there, and we have a value for each of the postcodes in this column. This is just random data I've put in just for demonstration purposes. Now we've saved that into a folder. We access that folder here, and we simply drag the heat map sample data that we have onto this box, and it gives us the opportunity to select the column for postcodes. If it isn't obvious, the system gives you this option, and the numerical value column. So if there were multiple columns in that spreadsheet with different values in, we would be able to select them here. Once this is correct, click import data columns. Not much will change until you scroll down after changing these settings. So okay, what we'll do, if you want to so for instance, if the value range is from 1 to 1,000, you obviously don't want 1,000 different color bands, so we'll group those into a number of colors. Say if we said 9 different colors, and we'll make them go from yellow to dark red. We can see the proposed color banding here. Now click the build territory groups, it'll color the map. So there we have our heat map. Now we can do all the regular things. Once you've imported that, by the way, it takes you up to the territories tab, because it's created all these different colors as individual territories. Now we can change these as we were before. We can change the color, which isn't really a great idea because the whole color banding is decided by the heat map tool, but we can do that anyway. We'll undo. And that's about it for the heat map tool. It's really simple.